woman that I spoke to today, she's having a problem. Why? She started doing tshuva a couple of years ago, but her husband is still like, he's still on the retarded train. And he's still on the retarded train. He still plays with his phone and the computer on Shabbat. And, he's still not sure if you're allowed to drive. So once in a while he drives. He's still not there. His wife is keeping Shabbat, Kisur Rosh, everything. But he's still doesn't get the point yet. So I told her, send him this video. I have a movie that our team made, Baruch Hashem. It's called Shabbat. Shabbat, the movie. It's 17 minutes. It's like a thriller. But it gives you 17-minute shock of what Shabbat really means if you keep it or if you don't keep it. Meaning, if you heard it and you believe in the Torah, after you finish that 17 minutes, you don't keep Shabbat, you have to take you to a mental institution. Why? Because something's wrong with you. Something's wrong with you. So I told her, send him this video. Well, it's a good video. It's, it has some action in it, some fires, some blow-ups, cool stuff. It's one of our movies. And it has a lot of sources. You can double-check everything. But nonetheless, it's something that gets to the point quickly. You don't have to watch a 2-hour shiur. It's 17 minutes, beginning to end, we get there. So God bless her. She says, no, this is too scary. I like to go the, slower and easier, and I think that approach is better. I said, I'm sorry, but you're wrong. I disagree. Because if she has a few kids, and I said, if your kids, they're little, they want to run to the electric socket because the electric socket looks like a really cool place to put your finger in it. It does, actually. It does, but until you know there's electricity there. Now, when you're little, you want to put there's wires, there's like free wires because there's construction. Those wires look like something to chew on. Why? They're green, they're yellow, they're blue. That looks like a candy. I want to chew on it. But once you chew on it, it's the last thing you're going to chew. So if you saw your kid about to go chew one of those wires, stick his finger in there, or run into moving traffic, are you also going to go slow? No, honey, don't go there. Oh, no. Oh, take that out of your mouth. It's too late. It's too late. You can't go slow and steady and sugarcoat things when life is in danger. Needless to say, if you're going to protect the body, because of that approach, that's right away giving him a shockwave where you tell him, listen, don't touch it or else you're going to die. And if I have to hit you to get the point, in order to save you, that's what I'm going to do. If I have to hit you with a shockwave to make sure that you stay away from danger, that's what I'm going to do. Why? Because I want to save your life. I'd rather hurt you a little bit in order to save your life. Needless to say, with the neshama, when a person violates Shabbat, when a person is making big sins of the Torah, they are literally destroying their neshama. Each time they make a sin, it's as if there's an atomic bomb going off in their olam haba that HaKadosh Baruch Hu designated for them. Every Jew has a share of the world to come. Every one of them does. You come here to this world with a ticket in your hand. The problem is, what's it going to look like when you get there? Once you get there, if you've made a lot of sins, that means you've had millions of atomic bombs in this olam haba. So all you have is fire. And that's all you have for the rest of eternity.